Have you ever had Bailey's Irish cream? It's super delicious, right? That's why this week we're going to be making a homemade American version. We'll be making Carolina cream. From Durham, North Carolina, you're listening to Cocktails Under Quarantine. My name is Suzanne. The generous folks at the Top of the Hill Distillery sent us their 8 Oak Carolina whiskey, and I was trying to think, what fun things should we do with this? And then I realized that the Smitten Kitchen had an awesome recipe for homemade Irish cream, so I thought that we could make an American version of it. So let's get started. So first we're going to take a half a teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Get it all in there. Okay. And then we're going to add a half a cup of heavy cream. Make sure that you shake it up well beforehand. A little bit, just to get it going. So you can see it's getting nice and dissolved. So we'll just add a little bit more. Just make sure everything is really well dissolved. Okay. Next, we're going to add half a can of sweetened condensed milk. And then to give it a nice vanilla flavor, we'll add some vanilla extract, 1/4 of a teaspoon. Give it a mix. And then we'll add our American 8 Oak Carolina whiskey from the Top of the Hill Distillery. Okay, so you can see you've got that beautiful homemade Carolina cream. There you have it, Carolina cream. So let's taste it. This can go in your fridge for at least a couple weeks, but I think you'll find that it won't last that long. I'm just gonna put a little bit on ice just to enjoy it and give you folks the tasting notes. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, creamy, sweet, boozy Carolina cream. It's so good. It's so fresh. It's got the lovely kind of nutty, woodsy notes of the whiskey. You can taste the vanilla. You can taste the creaminess. It's just really lovely, refreshing, sweet, desserty drink. And I hope you'll make it and let me know what you think. So, and also we've started a Facebook page, our Cocktails Under Quarantine Facebook page. So you can now check us out on YouTube and Facebook. So we hope we'll see you online in multiple places. That's it for this week's folks. As always, stay safe and drink responsibly. This is so good, guys. Yeah, I wasn't sure how this would turn out with American whiskey because it's always Bailey's Irish cream is obviously made with Irish whiskey. I think Jameson's is the traditional, but this is delicious. It's sweet. It's got a little chocolate. It's got a little vanilla. What's not to like? You should make some. B-roll, yeah. Happy birthday, America! It's 4th of July here in North Carolina. And if you hear all sorts of background noise, that's our neighbors celebrating American freedom. Hope you guys are enjoying your holiday weekend, staying safe, wearing your masks, because we can't be safe at home quarantined unless we wear our masks like good responsible citizens when we go out.